This video is dedicated to several Pskov attractions, so let's begin with embankment. Please follow my advice on the photos. You see the place of confluence, two rivers, Pskov, small one, and big one, Velika or the Great. So if you want to make very picturesque photos, this is the ideal place to do it. Why? Because friendly speaking, if you make photos from the side of Kremlin, believe me, it's not good. So this is exactly the most suitable place. So follow along the Pskov river and make such nice photos in daytime and of course in the evening time. Especially there is a Holy Trinity Cathedral on this photo. Yeah. So next object is Finnish Park. It's on the opposite side of Pskov river. Not very big park, but you can walk around here. And from the another side, on the opposite side of the river, there is a Finnish Park. Why Finnish? Because in the beginning of 90s, some Finnish builders from the city, Finnish city Kuopio, something like this, they built up this park. Yeah, this is park exactly. Regret I visited in the evening, but you see this wooden paths. So it's like a combine of humans and nature. You see, this paths don't touch the surface of grass, the surface of ground and grass.